Maya, I Googled my symptoms. It says I might have a rare tropical disease.
Jay, you sneezed twice. That's not rare tropical disease.
But Google had a chart, and it matched perfectly. Runny nose, sore throat, mild headache. It all adds up.
Yeah, it also adds up to the common cold.
You think I should write a goodbye letter? What if it's serious?
Relax. We're going to see Dr. Pratt. He went to med school for years, not Google University,
But Google is faster.
and also wrong most of the time.
So, Jay, tell me what brings you in today.
Doctor, I've done my research. According to the internet, I have a rare tropical disease.
Interesting. Did the internet also prescribe you a vacation to the tropics?
I told him it's just a cold.
Exactly. Your symptoms match the common cold. Nothing rare, nothing tropical, just rest, fluids, and maybe some chicken soup.
So, no rare disease?
Nope. But if you keep self-diagnosing online, you might develop WebMD-itis. Side effects include panic and unnecessary drama.
He already has that.
Okay. From now on, I'll leave the diagnosing to the professionals.
That's the spirit. The internet is great for information, but your doctor is the one for diagnosis.
So, Jay, what's the internet saying now?
It says, listen to your sister and your doctor.
Smart internet for once.